Hello boys and girls, today I'm going to show you how to create this cute koala and heart with origami, the Japanese art of folding paper. For this you will need 2 sheets of paper. I used some old gray paper that I had and some pink copy paper, but you can use any sheet of paper and color it whatever color you need. First, we're going to have to get 3 different squares. So let me show you how we'll do that. These squares have to be different sizes. So the koala needs a larger size for the body and a smaller size for the head. I cut this out of some fancy paper because it's 2-sided and I thought you might be able to see better what I'm doing in the video. But any paper you use will be fine. So to get the size that you need, first fold the paper in half. Cut your paper. Fold the paper to the side, don't throw this out. Fold your paper into a triangle by taking this corner and this side and matching it to this side. So I usually put my finger on the corner here and pull this up so that it's exactly on that. The key to origami is to be as accurate as possible. And then cut. And you can save your scrap for other art activities. We have our piece cut out for the body. Now to find the measurement of the head, I'm going to fold this second half of my paper in half. And I'm going to cut. If you don't happen to have scissors, what you can do is you can just keep folding your paper. And then tear it. And that will work as well. Next, you're going to take your paper and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to take this short side and make it even or flush with this side. Put your finger on the corner. And cut this out. Or fold it the way that I showed you, if you don't have scissors handy. And we have the shapes for the body and the head of my koala. For the heart, I'm going to take a pink piece of paper, fold it in half and cut it as I did already, and then do the same thing. Hold the corner here, fold, and cut. Now I have all the pieces I need. As I said, I'm going to switch to these purple sheets of paper, simply so that because it's 2-sided, it'll be a little bit easier for you to see all the steps. So for my head, I use the smaller sheet of paper. I'm going to fold this. Actually, I'm going to remove the white paper so you can see better. Fold this in half. Always work when you're doing origami on a flat surface. It's very difficult to do origami if you're holding it up in the air. It's better to be on a flat surface. Open up and fold again. Now open it so that the white is facing you. Take this corner and bring it to the center. Take this corner and bring it to the center. Now pause the video and make sure that your fold matches my fold right here. When you know that you're correct, then you're going to flip your origami over. You're going to take this corner and bring it to the center. You're going to take this corner and you're going to bring it to the center. And then you're going to flip it over again. You're going to take this, you're going to see how this flips out. You're going to take this side, see this fold here, and you're going to bring it to be flush with the center line here. I'll do that again on the other side. So I open it a little. See this back fold? I want to take that out. Take this folded side and bring it to the center right here. Then I take this and I bring it up to meet these two right here. And then I take this piece and I bring it down so that it meets the center right here. Can you see that? Now I flip over my origami. I take my marker or pencil and I draw a face. I draw a face by putting the nose in the center. Koalas have pretty big, adorable noses. And 2 eyes right next door. There you go. Okay, now if you want, you can use a little bit of glue to glue that down. Make sure it stays down. But it is time to move on to our koala's body. Yay! So we're going to take our larger square and we are going to fold it again. I'm going to fold it like this. Then open it, fold it again. You can actually fold it like this. There we go. So it's open over here. Now, this is the tricky part. Hold your finger under here. Open this up. You see what I'm doing? So, here, I folded it like this. I slide my finger to the middle. And I'm opening this up so that it is a triangle. Then I take this triangle piece and I fold it over like this. Now I'm going to repeat that on this side. I open this up. I hold my finger over here. Open this up. Fold it down so that this middle part meets these here. Now, should look like this. Okay. Now I'm going to take the top. So we have 2 little triangles on this side, 2 little sides this top. Comes down to the center at the bottom. Going to fold that. Then going to open this up like this. Put it here. See, I put my finger, I folded it down, put my finger under here. I open it back up, put these edges down, and you can see it's starting to form a triangle. And push that down. Believe it or not, I do the same thing on the other side. Put this up. Starts to form a triangle. Smooth it down. Oh, didn't open enough. There we go. And then I fold this. So, see what I did here? Fold this. And I take this side and I fold that. And this is called an inside fold. Open it up, slip that under there. There we go. Now, what you can do is take a little bit of glue, place a little bit of glue on each one of these triangles. And close it up. And what I also did is I folded each of the paws up a little bit. Okay, just like that. And we have finished the body, believe it or not. That was the hard part. You're going to take your head and take a little bit of glue. And you're going to stick it on to your koala. You're going to hold it there for 10 seconds to make sure that your koala stays glued. Now it's time to make my heart. For the heart, I'm going to use the pink paper that I cut, and I'm going to fold my heart from the pink paper that I cut before. Now I fold it this way, then I open it, then I fold it this way, then I open it, then I fold this down to the center. Then I fold this, not to the center, but all the way to the top. Then I fold this side so that it meets this center line. And I fold this line so it meets this center line. Flip your heart over, fold down each of the points at the top, fold in each of the sides, and it's time for you to decide how you want your koala to hold the adorable heart and glue it inside. and your... Now, in order to really finish off your koala bear, you can add some little touch-ups like some pink cheeks with a pink pencil. You can add a little bit of detail on your heart or write a message to someone you care about. And if you really want to tip the scales of cuteness, you can use whatever paper you have left over from your first koala, and you can make a baby koala. Now this koala, you can see I used the leftover paper, but I shaded with a pencil because I didn't have a dark color and I wanted it to stand out just a little bit. There you have it. Origami koalas. So cute.